In this video, you will gain a complete knowledge of what actually happened in World War I. World War I, also known as the Great War, was a global conflict that lasted from 1914 to 1918. It was a watershed moment in world history, marking the end of the old order and the beginning of the modern era. In this summary, I'll provide an overview of the key events, causes, and consequences of World War I within 500 words. Causes of World War I in 5 bullet points. 1. Alliance system. Europe was divided into 2 opposing alliances, the Triple Entente, comprising France, Russia, and Britain, and the Triple Alliance, comprising Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Italy. These alliances created a delicate balance of power. 2. Nationalism. Nationalist sentiments were on the rise in various European nations, leading to tensions as different ethnic groups sought independence or autonomy. 3. Imperialism. European powers competed for colonial territories, creating rivalries and further complicating international relations. 4. Militarism. An arms race ensued, with major powers rapidly expanding their armies and navies, leading to an environment ripe for conflict. 5. Assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. On June 28, 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary was assassinated in Sarajevo by a Serbian nationalist, Gavrilo Princip. This event triggered a chain reaction of events that led to the outbreak of war. Key events of World War I in 5 bullet points. 1. Declaration of war. Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia, leading to a series of declarations of war among the European powers. Germany invaded Belgium, prompting Britain to join the war. 2. Trench warfare. The war quickly bogged down into trench warfare on the Western Front, with soldiers enduring harsh conditions and heavy casualties. 3. Eastern Front. Fighting also occurred on the Eastern Front, where German and Austro-Hungarian forces clashed with Russian armies. For U.S. entry, in 1917, the United States entered the war on the side of the Allies, Entente, shifting the balance of power. 5. End of the war. A series of offensives in 1918, along with the exhaustion of Central Powers, led to their eventual surrender. An armistice was signed on November 11, 1918, effectively ending the conflict. Consequences of World War I in 5 points. 1. Treaty of Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles in 1919 officially ended the war, imposing heavy penalties on Germany, including territorial losses and financial reparations. 2. Dissolution of empires. The war led to the collapse of empires, including the Austro-Hungarian, Ottoman, Russian, and German empires, redrawing the map of Europe and the Middle East. 3. League of Nations. The League of Nations was established as an international organization aimed at preventing future conflicts. However, it proved ineffective in preventing World War II. For human cost, World War I resulted in a staggering loss of life, with millions of soldiers and civilians killed, wounded, or left with lasting trauma. 5. Political changes. The war contributed to political instability in Europe and laid the groundwork for future conflicts, including World War II. In conclusion, World War I was a catastrophic conflict with deep-rooted causes, immense human suffering, and far-reaching consequences. It reshaped the geopolitical landscape, weakened empires, and set the stage for the turbulent 20th century. Its lessons on the devastating consequences of global conflict continue to resonate today. If you find out this productive, then don't forget to subscribe.